Nintendo Switch allows you to play games whenever, wherever, and however you want. The quick setup begins on the console screen. Simply choose a language and region. Then view and, if you agree, accept the end-user license agreement. Next, select your network settings. After connecting to the internet, you may be prompted to perform a system update. Now select your time zone. Want to connect to a TV? You can opt to later, or connect the cables as instructed. You'll be prompted to remove the Joy-Con from the system before you place it in the dock. The process continues on the TV after you dock the console. To add your user settings, create your icon from a selection of character pictures, or create your own Me. These options and others, like parental controls, can be adjusted at any time. Your Nintendo Switch is now ready to play. Press the Home button to open the Home menu.